Suppose when I enter my password, I realize that it is incorrect. I need not worry on this part because there is a solution. Just click on the arrow there. Now click on power off. Click on restart. While restarting, hold the shift key. This is the grub menu. Now select advanced options for Ubuntu. Press enter. Now select Ubuntu with Linux recovery mode. Press enter. Now scroll down, select root and press enter. Press enter again for maintenance. Type mount space dash rw space dash o space remount space / press enter. Now type ls space / home, press enter. That's the user ID. Now type passwd space the user ID. Press enter. You can now enter your new password. It will not be displayed on the screen. Press enter. Retype the new password to confirm. Press enter. You will see that the password has been updated successfully. Now type exit. Press enter. Now select resume. Press enter and click on OK. Now please log in with your new password. There we are. We have now logged in successfully. Thank you.